If you want to learn how to use TradingView for crypto trading, this is one of the best tools out there for analyzing charts and planning trades. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open TradingView and search for a crypto pair like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Select the chart and open it in full view. Now, this is your main trading screen. You'll see candlesticks showing price movement. Green candles mean price is going up, and red candles mean price is going down. Next, add some basic indicators to help your analysis. You can add RSI for momentum and MACD for trend signals. Now start marking support and resistance levels. These levels help you understand where price might bounce or reverse. Here's an important rule: always trade with the trend. If the market is going up, focus more on buying opportunities. If it's going down, focus more on selling. Before using real money, practice with paper trading. This helps you learn without risk while you build confidence. And always plan where you will enter and exit before taking a trade. This helps you manage risk and avoid emotional decisions. So that's how you use TradingView for crypto trading. Once you practice these basics, you'll start reading the market much more clearly.